Hi friends, here we are with a notification from a recruitment notification from NTPC Limited. So based on GATE 2021 scores. So those people who have written GATE 2021 and qualified, this is a good news for them. So in detail we will go through the notification now. So clearly it is given that NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, India's largest integrated energy company with an installed capacity of 65,810 megawatts. So some description about the company's profile and greatness is given here. So clearly they are telling that they are looking for promising, dedicated, energetic young graduate engineers with brilliant academic records to join the organization, as the post is Engineering Executive Trainees 2021, that means EET. So there are three categories that they are inviting for. First category is electrical category. There are 98 vacancies. So mechanical category, they have got 126 vacancies, and electronics and instrumentation they are considering as one, and that is the number of vacancies are 56 in number. So the basic qualification other than the GATE score is a full-time bachelor's degree or AMIE, that means the engineering in correspondence, with not less than 65% marks as per respective institute and university norms. So final year people also can apply, subject to they should get 65% marks in their engineering. And this eligibility is only 55% for SC, ST, physical disability candidates. There is a relaxation there of 10%. So now the discipline there clearly we can see. In detail we will go now. So electrical engineering and mechanical engineering, these are the allied courses that are given here. That means for suppose electrical engineering, electrical and electronics, electrical instrumentation and control, power systems and high voltage, power electronics and power engineering, there will be so many people prescribed full-time degrees in engineering. So all these degrees come under electrical only. So like this mechanical also they have given some allied courses and prescribed full-time degrees, electronics and instrumentation also. All these people with these engineering degrees, they come into this category. They will consider as these four broadly these four major categories, right? Now some age limit is also given here. The upper age limit for general category is 27 years. General category or EWS, economically weaker section, is taken as 27 years. And for SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer, persons with disabilities, ex-servicemen, so all these age relaxation criteria will be followed according to the government rules. Now coming to the selection procedure, first the candidate should have appeared GATE 2021, and he should have appeared in GATE. Candidate shall be shortlisted for document verification based on 2021 performance. So if you qualify the GATE exam, so based on your rank, marks, etc., so they will be inviting you. Okay, now here GATE 2021 paper as detailed below, because the codes these people already know, again he has given. So electrical engineering, the code is EE, mechanical ME, EC, instrumentation IN. So engineering disciplines as advertised by NTPC, again the allied courses are given here that we already read previously. Now the projected vacancies already we read before. For electrical it is 98, for mechanical it is 126. In electronics and instrumentation they have taken as one category 56. The total number of vacancies make 280. That's a pretty good number, not less and not more and not even less also. So here some disabilities are identified, deaf and hard of hearing. So some disabilities are mentioned here. Locomotor disability. What is locomotor disability? OA and OL. OA means one arm and OL means one leg. Some disability details are given here. Now compensation benefits clearly you can see here. Pay scale, the selected candidates will be placed with a pay scale of 40,000 rupees to 1,40,000 rupees at a basic pay. The maximum basic pay itself is 1,40,000 with a basic, at the basic pay of 40,000 rupees is the even grade. Even grade 40,000 is the basic pay. So it can go up to 1,40,000 also. And the benefits such as DA, dearness allowances, other requisites and allowances, terminal benefits, etc., will be followed according to time and according to the rules. That means 40,000 to 1,40,000 That's a very good pay actually. The placement, see, NTPC has got so many plants all over India, including subsidiaries, JVs companies, and NTPC across the country has given here. So you can be placed at any of these plants, including subsidiaries and JV companies. So you should be ready to work in the night shift also, clearly as given here. So you can be placed at any location in India, and you should be ready to work in the night shifts also. Okay. So please carefully go through that points. Now reservations and relaxations are given according to the government rules. So clearly the one thing he is mentioning here, once you while filling the online application form, caste category or reservation category, any kind of reservation category, SC, ST, OBC, economically weaker section, once you fill the online form, they will not be changed. So while filling up only, you should be very careful and fill the form. Now clearly if you go here, so candidates SC, ST and PWC are having candidates with at least 55% of marks in qualifying examination are eligible to apply. Yes, we have right. So what is that age relaxation? For SC, ST it is 5 years, 3 years for OBC, NCL, and 10 years for disability, EWS, 13 years for disability and OBC, and 15 years for disability plus SC, ST. Like that some norms are given, some age relaxations are given for particular categories. So there will be a service agreement bond. You have to write a bond for general category, general category, EWS category, OBC, because 1 year training will be given to you. For EWS, general and OBC category, there should be you have to go execute a service agreement bond for 5 lakh rupees, and that service agreement bond is only 2,50,000 rupees for candidates belonging to SC, ST, disability, to serve in the company for at least 3 years. This is 3 years bond after the successful completion of 1 year training. That means 1 year training plus 3 years bond. So 4 years is the minimum period that you have to write bond for. Okay, that you should note down. Now health test also will be conducted, so you have to go by all the norms. So what are the health standards? Clearly in this ntpccareers.net it is given. You can go through them. So when applying, how to apply, that is also given. You have to go to this website www.ntpccareers.net, or you can go to ntpc.co.in and then you can go to the career section, and with their gate registration number. So now there is a gate registration number will be given to you. Now my dear friends, here candidates will be required to upload their photograph. So you should have a soft copy of photograph and signature during the online application form. So you should have that provision with you. Now after successful registration, system will generate a unique registration number. So after applying online, so you will be given a unique registration number. So you have to take the printout of the registration slip, which will be generated by the system after the successful. You can download a soft copy if the provision is available, or it is better to take both soft copy and hard copy. So and remember that unique registration number. So after filling the form. Now clearly I said already there is a GATE 2021 registration number which is mentioned in your GATE scorecard. So whenever you get GATE scorecard, there will be GATE 2021 registration number which is given by GATE authorities. So that has to be filled up correctly. Name also should be according to GATE 2021 scorecard only. So that means the name and the registration number, GATE registration number, as per they are there in the GATE scorecard. So according to that only you have to fill up. In that way only we have to fill up the name and the registration number in the online application form. Because clearly as given, once you fill the application form, the candidate will not be entertained to change afterwards. Okay, so now candidates belonging to general, EWS, OBC category, the fee is 300 rupees, which is non-refundable, and for online or offline mode, the payment here, see, the payment can be made. Generally nowadays people are telling you have to pay only online, but here two choices are given to you. The payment can be made either online or offline mode also. We will see how to pay online and offline. The SC candidates, ST candidates, persons with disabilities, ex-servicemen category, and female candidates are not required to pay the registration fee. So girls SC generally who belong to SC, the total number of candidates who belong to SC, ST, disability, ex-servicemen, and exclusively if you don't have any reservation also, female candidates are not required to pay registration fee. It is free for them. Now how to pay offline mode? So you have to pay the offline mode through SBI, State Bank of India. Specially opened, they have opened the account in CAG branch New Delhi on behalf of NTPC. So this is the account number they have given to you, 309879919993. So this belongs to CAG branch at New Delhi. So you can go to you need not to go to Delhi. So you have to go to your nearby SBI branch with the printout of the pay-in slip. There will be a pay-in slip available in the registration portal. You have to take a printout of that pay-in slip and then go to the bank and proceed for the payment. So on the receipt of the money, when you pay the money to the bank, they will issue a unique journal number, UJN, and a branch code of the bank collecting the money. So you will have a branch code. They will give you two things. After taking the amount, they will give you a unique journal number, and they will also give the branch code of the bank collecting the money. So these 2 points you have to note it down. They will give you the journal number and this branch code are to be filled up by while going in the online application. These two things you have to fill up. So the payment can be made online and offline also. Offline through SBI, and finally you have to come to the filling the application form should be done through online mode only. So if you have paid through offline, so you can write that unique journal number and bank code in that column, respective column that is given to you. So you can go through online mode also. Candidate has the option to pay with net banking, debit card is allowed like RuPay cards, debit card, RuPay card, credit card is allowed, net banking is allowed. UPI payment is not allowed here. So please go through it. You can go through either net banking, debit card, RuPay cards and credit card. So online payment option will be available in the website at the time of the filling the application form. Okay, that is how you pay through online. So already they said the fees will not be refunded at any circumstances. Now there is a general information that is given to students. The only Indian nationals can apply. So all the qualifications should be from Indian university or institute. So inside India, the computations, whatever the rules and regulations they have mentioned, all shall be what is that? You shall fulfill all that eligibility conditions by the last date of the last date of receipt of the online applications as mentioned in the advertisement. So paper application is not allowed, and there are some more important points that are given to you. Email ID should be active. The email ID entered in the online application form must remain valid at least for next 1 year. So this is what we are reading in every notification. You should have an active email ID and if possible a working phone number also, because nowadays all the correspondence is done through email ID and phone number only. So it is better to have a valid email ID. So it is better to have a valid email ID. So all future correspondence will be sent by email only. It is clearly given here, right? Okay. Now coming to the next important point, they are given some important dates. The commencement of online application is from 21st May. So 21st May, the online application is going to start, and the last date for the online application is 10th of June. So commencement of online application is starting from May 21st, 2021, and the last date for filling the online application form is 10th June 2021. So remember these points and whatever the things that are given in the advertisement. So I think the information that is provided by us, so these are the main points that you have to remember. So please go through the website that is given here. Again I am telling the website. You can go to ntpc.co.in or you can go to ntpccareers.net. So or you can go to ntpc.co.in and then go for the career section. So you can go through the website and get all the other relevant information. We have just only discussed some highlights and important points which we thought that will be helpful to you. All the best. Thank you.